Welcome to another Hard Hat update. It has been a few weeks since our last update, and of course it's no surprise that as a result of the coronavirus we have seen some changes with our project. Our architects are all working remotely now, and because Governor DeWine has allowed for school construction to continue, the Turner construction team is still working on the Mariemont High School construction project at this time. However, we know that nothing in our world is operating business as usual right now, and the construction project is no different. As with our students and staff, the safety and health of the Turner construction team is of utmost importance to us. Turner is following CDC guidelines on the job site, and they have added sanitizing and hand washing stations. They are also ensuring that workers keep appropriate distance from one another. As of now, the coronavirus is causing a 20% reduction in the number of workers typically on site. Turner is also closely tracking the disruption in the supply chain, with some factories closing and contractors keeping workers home. And at this point, we don't know the extent of how the coronavirus situation will affect our construction schedule, but we continue to work closely with Turner Construction to minimize the impact as much as possible, but recognizing that the safety of everyone is of greatest importance. We do know that just a couple of weeks ago, everything was running smoothly with both the budget and the timeline, and we know that our full construction team will do everything they can to get us back on track once it is safe to resume normal operations. I want to bring in our construction manager, Tom Welch, remotely now to discuss the progress of the Mariemont High School facility project. So Tom, we know that work is happening, so what's going on the inside and outside of the building right now?
There's a lot of work going on the lower level. Most of the drywall is hung out, and a lot of it is painted at this point. There's a lot of mechanical, electrical, plumbing rough-in still happening on the first floor. The main mechanical room unit down there, mechanical room with the air handling unit, that's all hooked up and actually has water on it. We haven't started it up yet, but it's actually got water on it, which is a good sign. We're getting close to starting it up, probably in the next, I'm gonna say 2 weeks. On the upper level, a lot of drywall and framing happening, and again, a lot of MEP rough-in. So there's a lot of that type of stuff going on both levels. On the outside, like you mentioned, the brick is moving along pretty good. They're on the south elevation now. They're just getting started over there, and that'll be coming up. That'll be a pretty impactful sort of statement when you see that happening. Let's see. I think that covers most of the progress that's happening now. In the next 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, you should actually start seeing some windows going in. You'll see us start on some of that stuff. So we are making progress.
Thanks, Tom, for talking with us and for your efforts to keep the Turner construction team safe and healthy throughout this coronavirus situation. We will check back in on the project in a couple of weeks with another update.